Hello students, today I am going to explain English grammar, class 5th, lesson 12, elements of a sentence. Let's go through the chapter. Every complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The subject is the who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject does. We divide every sentence into two parts, subject and predicate. Subject tells us what the sentence is about or who does the action in the sentence. It can be noun or pronoun. Predicate tells us what the subject does. Let's see the example. First sentence, Johnny opened the umbrella. In this sentence, we are talking about Johnny. So, Johnny is a subject. And what we are talking about Johnny? That he opened the umbrella. So, opened the umbrella is predicate. Second sentence, the umbrella was blue. So, in this sentence, we are talking about umbrella. So, the umbrella is subject and was blue is predicate. In the same way, the next examples, he looked up. The star is yellow. He is holding a star. Let's see some more examples. All boys of my class are very naughty. In this sentence, subject, all boys of my class. Predicate, are very naughty. In this sentence, we are talking about all boys of my class. So, all boys of my class is subject. And what we are talking about, all boys of my class, that they are very naughty. So, are very naughty is predicate. Second sentence, the newspaper article was written by journalist. In this sentence, subject is the newspaper article and the rest word was written by journalist is predicate. Third sentence, my uncle and his son went to Simla. So, in this sentence also we are talking about my uncle and his son. So, my uncle and his son is subject and what we are talking about? That they went to Simla. So, went to Simla is predicate. Next topic is subject and object. So, subject I have told you what is subject and how you can recognize in the sentence about subject. So, here I will tell you about the object. The object receives the effect of the verb. It is often placed after the main verb. It doesn't perform action like the subject. It receives the action. It means the action done by the subject is received by the object and it can be whoever and whatever. See the examples. My sister washed the clothes. In this sentence, subject my sister because we are talking about and the action done by the subject my sister. And object is clothes because the action received by the object. In the same way, next sentence, Rahul waters the plants. In this sentence also, we are talking about Rahul. So, Rahul is a subject and the action done by the Rahul is received by the object, the plants. Next is, he paints poster. In this sentence, whom did the paint poster? So, he is a subject and poster received the action. So, poster is a object. Next is, the boss saw her in town. In this sentence, whom did the boss see? The boss saw her. So, the word her is object because he received the action done by the boss. Next is Riya wore gloves and a jacket. In this sentence also, gloves and a jacket is received the action done by the Ria. So gloves and a jacket is object. I hope students you might understood this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask during doubt clearance classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.